Welcome back to my channel Money Masters Financial Enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that many of you may be familiar with, Yahoo Finance. If you're looking for a comprehensive platform to stay updated on all things finance, Yahoo Finance is undoubtedly one of the go-to places. In this video, we'll explore the features, benefits, and tools that make Yahoo Finance a must-have resource for investors and traders alike. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's introduce Yahoo Finance for those who might not be familiar with it. Yahoo Finance is a popular online portal that offers a wealth of financial information, news, tools, and resources for investors, traders, and anyone interested in the financial markets. It's part of Yahoo's suite of online services and has been a leading platform since its launch in the late 1990s. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key features and tools that Yahoo Finance provides. Market data. Yahoo Finance offers real-time and historical data on various financial instruments, including stocks, bonds, commodities, currencies, and more. You can easily find the latest stock prices, charts, and performance metrics for your favorite companies. News and analysis. Stay informed with the latest financial news and expert analysis from top-notch sources. The platform covers a wide range of topics, including market trends, company earnings, economic indicators, and global events affecting the financial markets. Watch lists and portfolios. You can create personalized watch lists to keep track of specific stocks or investment interests. Additionally, Yahoo Finance allows you to manage your investment portfolios, track gains and losses, and analyze your overall performance. 4. Interactive charts. Visualize market trends with interactive charts that provide in-depth insights into stock movements, technical indicators, and historical price data. These charts can be customized to suit your analysis preferences. 5. Community and forums. Engage with a community of fellow investors and traders on Yahoo Finance's forums. Share insights, discuss market trends, and exchange ideas with like-minded individuals. Yahoo Finance Premium. 1. While Yahoo Finance offers a plethora of features for free users, they also have a premium subscription service, known as Yahoo Finance Premium. With this subscription, you gain access to additional tools and benefits. 2. Enhanced data and research. Premium subscribers get access to more detailed data and advanced research reports, helping them make more informed investment decisions. 3. Ad-free experience. Say goodbye to ads and distractions with the ad-free browsing experience that comes with a premium subscription. 4. Exclusive content. Enjoy exclusive content from financial experts and analysts, providing deeper insights into the markets and investment strategies. Accessibility. One of the great things about Yahoo Finance is its accessibility. You can access it from various devices, including desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Yahoo Finance also offers mobile apps for both Android and iOS users, ensuring you can stay connected to the financial markets on the go. Yahoo Finance is a powerful and user-friendly platform that offers a wealth of financial information and resources to cater to investors, traders, and finance enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking for real-time data or a beginner seeking to learn more about the markets, Yahoo Finance has got you covered. Remember, while Yahoo Finance provides valuable information, always do your own research and consult with financial professionals before making any investment decisions. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future finance-related content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!